Welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve one problem, May 2019 problem related to operations on the signal. That is, you see what are the different operations performed on the signal means time delaying, time, that is time shifting. In time shifting there are two types of time shifting. One is time delay, that is x of t minus some value means it is delay, x of t plus some value means it is time advancing, and x of 2t, okay, here the t is multiplied with one constant, so it is said to be the time scaling, and it is also a time scaling. So here the time t is multiplied with the constant 1 by 2. So these two things are said to be time scaling. And the another one operation is x of minus t. So minus t means a time inversion, okay, or time reversal. And other than this, there are some more things that it is amplitude scaling. These are all the operations performed on the signal. Okay, so here the given problem is a continuous time signal x of t is shown in figure below. So sketch each of the following signal. So this is the given signal. So you see the signal x of t. So here the given signal is a continuous time signal. So you know continuous time. What is continuous time? That is the signal x of t is having value in all instant of time. So you see the signal from the time 0 to 4, the x of t is having some amplitude. Okay, so it is continuously connected. So this is like one either triangular waveform. This is one shape. This is the given signal x of t. And after this, that is before this time 0, that is the time minus infinity to 0, the signal is having 0 amplitude. Similarly, for the time t equal to 4 to infinity, the signal is having 0 value. So the signal is available only for the time duration 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4, the signal is having amplitude, some different amplitude. Okay, the shape is like a one triangular waveform. So this is the given signal. So for the given signal x of t, we have to perform these things. What is the first one? X of t minus 2. What is x of t minus 2? X of t minus 2 is a time delayed version of x of t by the second 2. Okay, these two things are said to be time scaling operation. This is said to be the time inversion operation. So we will see one by one. Okay, so the first one, we have to obtain x of t minus 2. So what does x of t minus 2 means? It's a delayed version of the signal x of t by the amount 2 seconds. That is, delayed version means we have to shift the signal to the right side by 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the original signal. So actually this signal is available from the time 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4 seconds. So the width of the signal is a 4 seconds. So we have to shift this entire signal without changing this amplitude and this duration. The shape of the signal, you just shift to the right side by 2 seconds. But how? This lower limit 0, it will come to the limit 2, and this upper limit 4, it will come to 6. 4 plus 2, 6. So the signal, so this is said to be the x of t minus 2. So this is the graph of the x of t minus 2. So actually this signal x of t, just we are shifting to 2 seconds. So you see actual signal starts at time t equal to 0. Now x of t minus 2 means that the entire signal you shift to 2 seconds to the right side. Okay, to the right side. Okay, so this is the answer. So if in question x of t plus 2, they are asking means what is x of t plus 2 means? The opposite operation. That is, we have to shift the signal to left side by 2 seconds. So left side by 2 seconds means that signal is available between minus 2 to 2. Okay, so the lower limit is minus 2, the upper limit is 2. Again, the width is 4. Okay, that is a one thing. So here, that is not at all asking, only the question is x of t minus t. So we drawn the first solution. Then the second thing is x of 2t. Okay, here the time, the variable time t, it is multiplied with one constant 2. Okay, the time t, it is multiplied with one constant 2. Okay, 2 means that operation we are calling it as a time scaling operation. Okay, so this is said to be the time t multiplied with some constant, mean it is said to be the time scaling. In time scaling, there are two cases are there. Okay, if this constant, this multiplied value a, if this A value is greater than 1 means the given signal gets compressed. That is compressed along the x-axis, along the time axis. That is the shape of the signal don't change, but the signal gets compressed along the x-axis. Okay. If the A value is less than 1, okay, A value is less than 1 means the same signal gets expanded along the x-axis. It is said to be the time scaling. So here, what about the value of A? The A value is 2. If A is 2 means it is the condition A greater than 2. So if A greater than 2 means the signal gets compressed. Okay, the signal gets compressed by how much amount? The A amount. What is the value of A? A is 2. So the signal gets compressed by the amount 2. Okay, but here this is the original signal x of t. In this x of t, there is no change in the amplitude at all. Okay, we have there is a change in the time. That is time scaling means we are performing operation on the x-axis only. Okay, not about the y-axis. Okay, so there is no change in the amplitude. Only there is change in the this time scale. That is x-axis only. But here, what is the lower limit? The lower limit is 0. And what is the upper limit of x of t? 4. Okay, so but here the actual width of the signal is 4 seconds. So that width 4 gets divided by this amount. So what is the amount of A? A is 2. So but the width, total width 4 is divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2, what is the answer? It's a 2 seconds. Okay, so that's why we will get the signal of width is, you see, the width is 0 to 2. So what is the width of the signal? 2 seconds. Okay, so how to obtain this lower limit and upper limit means in the original signal x of t, you see the lower limit. What is the lower limit? 0. What is the upper limit? 4. So these two limits you divide by the constant value A. So for our problem, what is the constant A? A is 2. Okay. But you just divide the lower limit 0 divided by 2. What is 0 divided by 2? 0 only. Okay. What is the upper limit? 4. 4 divided by 2. What is the answer? 2. Okay. So that's why we have to draw that same signal during the interval 0 to 2. Okay, so this is said to be the x of 2t. So x of 2t means the A value is greater than 1. At the time we will get the signal. The signal is nothing but the compressed version of the original signal x of t. So you see x of t signal and the x of 2t signal. The shape is same. Okay, that is also a triangular waveform. This is also a one triangular waveform. But what is the difference? The amplitude is also same. The 3 volt, that is also a 3 volt. But you see the width, okay, along the x-axis here width is 2 seconds. Here the width is 4 seconds. That is the width 4 divided by 2. Okay, so that's why the signal gets compressed. Okay, so this is the second answer. And the third one, we have to draw x of t by 2. So x of t by 2. So this is also the time scaling. Okay, so here the variable t, okay, the time t multiplied by the constant 1 by 2. Okay, but here it is also a time scaled version. But here what is the value of A? A is 0.5. But here 0.5 is nothing but 0.5 is always less than 1. But whenever the value of A less than 1 means the signal gets expanded. Okay, so the signal gets expanded by the amount 2. Okay, but here you see this is the given signal. Okay, x of t, this is the given signal. The lower limit is 0, the upper limit is 4. Okay, so in a similar manner we have to do. So here what is the value of A? The value of A is 0.5. But here you just divide the lower limit by 0.5. So 0 divided by 0.5, 0 only. And the upper limit 4, 4 divided by 0.5. So 4 divided by 0.5, what is the answer? 4 divided by 0.5, it is 8. So that's why the same signal is available between 0 to 8 seconds. Okay, the same shape, a triangular shape, we will get from the time t equal to 0 to t equal to 8. But now what is the width of the signal? 8 seconds. What is the width of the original signal? 4. What is the width of the x of t by 2? It's an expanded signal. That is the signal gets expanded. Okay. So you see the two things. Okay. X of 2t means whenever the A value greater than 1, the signal gets compressed. Okay. The shape is compressed along x-axis. If the A value here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means the signal gets expanded. Okay. The signal gets expanded. So these are all the two time scaling operation. Okay, so now we will get the answer like this. Okay, the same manner only we have to do. the lower limit, upper limit, you divide by the a value. For this problem, a value is 1 by 2. For this problem, a value is 2. Okay, this is the thing. Then the fourth one, we have to obtain x of minus t. Okay, what is x of minus t? Here also, the operation is performed on the variable time only. Okay, but here, instead of t, the t is multiplied with minus 1. Okay, the t is multiplied with minus 1. But what is the meaning of the x of minus t? Means it is a time reversed version of the original signal x of t. Okay, so but how to obtain x of minus t signal means, so the x of minus t is said to be the mirror image of x of t. That is, you see, this is the x of t signal, this is the x of t signal. So for this x of t, we have to take, if we want to find x of minus t means, we have to take mirror image. Okay, you just consider in the y-axis, we are having one mirror means, in that mirror, what about the signal? The signal, that is the signal in the positive x-axis is changed to, swapped to the negative x-axis, and the negative x-axis value is swapped to the positive x-axis. So, but the x of minus t signal is this triangular waveform comes under here, and this 0 value comes to the positive side. So, but that's why the x of minus t, you see, the signal comes in the negative value. For positive value, the signal is having no amplitude. Okay, so you just consider in the y-axis, we are taking one mirror. Okay, if you are taking mirror image means this value is swapped to here and this value is swapped to here. So this is said to be the x of minus t. Okay, so the x of minus t is a time reversed version of x of t. Okay, so these are all the four answers for the given problem. Okay, for the given signal x of t, we have to obtain these four things. Okay, it's a May 2019 question. It's a very simple question and 13-mark question. Okay, what is the first one? X of t minus 2. It's a time delayed version. What is x of 2t? Time scaled version. What is x of t by 2? It is also a time scaled version. But what is the difference? If a is greater than 2 means the signal gets compressed. Here the a value less than 1, the signal gets expanded. Then x of minus t means it is a time reversed version. The time reversed version means, so here you consider one mirror. If one mirror is available in y-axis means this value comes under here, this value comes under here. Okay, so we have to swap the answers. It is said to be the x of minus t. Okay, so it's a very easiest problem. So similar to this one, we can solve any problem. Okay, so study this one. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends also. Thank you.